You hit income and you get the data entry screen. Now we're going to get to all these screens later, but it's the name of your income, the owner. We're going to talk about owner. Right now you can leave it blank. The category is going to be a drop-down list. Subcategory is also going to be a drop-down list. The amount, frequency is going to be a drop-down list. Your payday, and a little description. So I'm going to say full-time job. I'm going to say it's going to be my full-time. I get a salary. So let's say this is how much I make each month. So let's if I'm paid every 2 weeks, let's just make it up, 4,000 every 2 weeks. And I'm going to say every 2 weeks. Now this is the date I'm paid. So let's assume I'm paid on the 13th. And optional. So this optional end date is if you have a seasonal job, for example. If you only work during the summers, so maybe from May to August or May to September, then that's when you put this end date. Reoccurring, this is if you do the same work every year or every time span. So for example, if you are a landscaper, let's say you only work during the summertime, but you do this every summer. So you'll put in the start date, the end date, and you put it as recurring because you're going to do this work every summer. So that's what this recurring is. And you do save. And that's it. So we're going to see it up here. And then we could use this trash can to delete it, or we can use this button to edit.